Well, I've wandered down to the beach this evening with a couple of cold ones. For anyone that's actually coming from Portugal, heading to Morocco, I might have made a miscalculation. I'm down to 148 tins left, and I'm going to be here 3 months. So deliveries would be appreciated. But have a look at this beach. You've got fishermen out on the front there. I'm only having a beer here for the simple reason it's disrespectful to drink around the locals because they don't drink at all. Good news is I can actually drive the bike back because the police don't even carry breathalyzers over here. So cheers, I'll enjoy that one later, and I'll most probably get nobbled because it goes on the internet. But that is a cracking beach. You've got a haze all the way across it, and sand dunes that run for another, well, the next town's 150 miles, or next city is 150 miles down. Had a great experience today doing some fruit and veg shopping. Went into a local restaurant, and without Google Lens, I would have been completely stuffed. But everything's affordable. It's an absolutely stunning country. If we have a look here, you've just got fishing boats up at the top here that are just pulled up onto the top out of the way of the tide. And it is just absolutely fantastic. Burkai's up at the top there. He's having a wander across the top of the dunes. But there's just no one here. It's absolutely stunning. And I'm just waiting for the sunset, because it's got to be spectacular. I mean, no words can really say anything. Anyway, good health to you all. Enjoy the cold weather in Britain. Say goodbye to the sun. What can you say?